If you want to understand why certain players are not playing, firstly, you need to understand what kind of a coach we have. Wadu is a coach that believes in technical players, ball playing midfielders, for example. So I don't think there will be space for Mbata and Makaola as much as they are fan favorites. When it comes to technical ability, Unem is better than Mbata. No one can even argue that. This guy can pass, he can retain the ball, he can dribble, he can do everything actually. Same can be said for Mutuma. He can hold the ball up, he involves our wingers. He's a mobile striker which also has an eye for goal. So technically speaking, he has an edge over Umabas. Another player I believe will eventually take his spot in the starting 11 is Undaba. He was combining well with Moremi on that left-hand side and so calm in the final third. Which then brings me to the starting 11 I think Wad will put out versus Sundowns. As much as it's unpredictable, I think the lineup will be similar to this. I don't see Mbata coming into this game after having not played for 2 games. Match fitness is something that might work against him. Also, I think Hoto should play. Yes, Sunaba impressed during the week, but I feel Wadu shouldn't put pressure on himself or on Undaba by playing him. Just play Hoto and we relax. Even though I wouldn't be surprised to see Undaba in that starting 11. If Nduli is injured, I feel the coach will play Mbule and have Nemtajela as a 6 again. Those are the kind of players he believes in, so yeah. Even me, I love technical players.